Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are still out on the range and having a good time today. We still have our Ballistic Dummy Lab torso fully loaded here. This thing is awesome. As you saw in this video before here, we tested him out with some bulletproof everyone body armor clothing, which is really good stuff. This time we're going to do something a little different. What we're going to do is we have this level 4 ceramic plate here, nice ceramic plate, and what we're going to do is we are going to saran wrap it to the back here, and we're going to have the high-speed camera coming in on the side. We'll take some other shots from this angle so we can see just how hard these rounds hit on the plate and what kind of energy transfer might go through the body. So hopefully that'll turn out really good. What Justin is going to be shooting today, he's got his 300 blackout here. This thing is pretty cool, suppressed. He's also got his 223 suppressed. We're going to try that, a green tip. Then we're going to move on to the AK rounds, and then we're going to try to finish it off. He's going to do a double tap with the M1 Garand with 2 M2 armor piercing rounds, which this stuff is supposed to be rated for. So, man, I'm excited to shoot this. We don't need to talk anymore, all right? Let's do it.
All right, so first round is going to be 300 blackout. These are 120 grains, so they are supersonic, so it's going to be pretty similar to an AK round. I forget the exact velocity on these. I'm just hoping I can hit it. My optic's dead, so we'll just lob her in there. Happy trees. Hey, I hit it. That's exciting. Clear.
There wasn't a whole lot of energy transfer, it looked like. I'm sure there was still, but up top, because the plate's actually sticking off the back a little bit. I don't know if it would be like that in a plate carrier slightly. However, he hit up here at the top, which was nice, that it hit way up here on a single, well, he broke 2 tiles, but it did not go through. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it's obviously that much pushed in. It did break the skin, but it did not break the shoulder bone. So, boing, 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 boing. He's still good. We'll try to pull him up a little bit there. All right. Okay, round 2, here we go.
All right, time for the 7.62 39. So this one's going to be out of obviously a 16-inch barrel versus the 300 blackout, which was actually an 8-inch barrel. It's just integrally suppressed upper. So let's see what kind of damage we could do here. I actually have sights, so I just don't want to hit that camera. Oh well, not mine. Okay, I hit it. Happy.
Man, that looks painful, dude. Okay, hit right down here. We're trying to see what some hits do down on the sides, or at the edges, I should say, of each of these panels. We definitely want to shoot the 2 APs from the M1 Garand right here in this bad boy. But let's check this out. We're going to take this off. We'll rewrap them if we have to, because that's what we do for you guys. But anyways, there's the entrance, or the hit. It did not go through. I can feel it in the back here. But let's see if it did any spinal damage. Well, I'd say you'd have to go to the chiropractor. Definitely pushed part of his spine through the back here, the skin. So that's where it actually hit, but probably hit it with so much force. You guys could see in the high speed, there was a lot more rippling around the corner here than in this top one. But, all right, so what round's next?
5.56.
5.56? All right, we're gonna do a 5.56 at this bad boy and see what happens. Let's do it.
All right, so now we're gonna do a 5.56 green tip out of a 10-inch barrel. And again, my optic is not zeroed. It's been a trend today. So I'll hit where I can. Hey, look at there. Not too bad.
Okay, good solid hit. But on the high-speed camera, still energy transfer. It didn't look like as much. And it really, if you can look down this way, Justin, so we can just leave it in place there. It did not bulge hardly at all down here. So this level 4 is holding up very, very well. We just got this right here where it ripped the skin on the first round, but did nothing to the shoulder blade. All right, he's still holding up pretty good. Definitely get our money's worth out of this ballistic dummy lab, huh? Good stuff. All right, next one up is the M1 Garand. And we got 2 M2 AP rounds for that bad boy. He's gonna double tap this thing and see what happens. Here we go.
All right, time for the big boy. 30-06 M1 Garand. And we're literally, I think, 20 feet away. So no excuses on me missing it. I'm just trying to do it as quick as I can and actually hit the plate. Ready? All right. Yes! I think both rounds hit.
Well, I think this one might have gone through, yeah. So he double tapped him pretty close, so it shattered all the ceramic, and then the only thing that was left was the Kevlar. So you can see that hole right there. Am I on it? And if you come around this side, it didn't penetrate all the way through, which is amazing, but you can actually see the trajectory of the round right there. Still got some jacking in it, so it'd be awful painful. I think part of the round did actually come all the way out, or some shrapnel did. And then there's a piece here that just barely caught the bottom of his intestines there, and just barely nicked him, so there's a little bit of green on him. but it's sitting right there almost in his belly button. Now his belly button down here. Right there.
Let me pull it out. Ooh, look at that cavity.
Look at that wound cavity. That is nasty. Well, that would be missing kidney, I think, right?
Something.
Yeah, you might be going poop in a bag for a while. All right, well, we're gonna hit it with another round. We got those tactical 1 ounce 12 gauge slugs that travel, it's like 1,500 and something feet per second. They're quick, so Justin's gonna plant one right square in his back, see what happens to that, see if it does any damage to the spine with this level 4. It's still holding up, so it's still good for a hit right there. Let's do it.
All right, so now we're gonna do the 1 ounce slug out of this 12 gauge, and these travel at an amazing, it's at 1,640 feet per second. All right, let's see if I can hit this thing where we need to, where there's actually some tile. Woo! Come on, get from there. Stuck in there.
Oh my God, man. That, you can see a lot of energy transfer through his body there. Woo, oh yeah. Well, let's see. So you guys can see right here, the threat level. This plate did pretty good. It held up pretty good, man. That thing took one heck of a hit. Is that part? No, it's just part of it. There's the bulge on the back. This is, again, this was the 30-06, kind of hit low. But see, this is damage from the 30-06. Again, it missed his spine. What do we got here? Ew. That's ceramic plate. But right here is where the 12 gauge hit, and it did not break his rib. That's amazing, man. Well, I think that was a good test for a level 4 plate here, and getting to see what it does on a close to real torso as we could get. Our zombie here is still intact. We're gonna have to do something with him. I don't know, maybe we'll do a short video, Justin, what do you think, where we shoot him with a 40mm chalk round. Yeah, Justin likes that. All right, everybody, thank you guys so much for coming out. Thank you, Ballistic Dummy Lab. Again, there is a link down in the description. Click that link, buy some stuff from them. You got a promo code, use my promo code that's down in the description link, save you some money. Again, if you want a loaded head or just a gel head, hands, again, loaded, unloaded, you can get a full body from these guys, and they are awesome. So check them out, ballisticdummylab.com. And thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. We still got a bunch of t-shirts. Okay, not this one, but Justin was wearing one of the t-shirts. We still got a lot of $10 t-shirts. But thank you to our Patreons, and thank you to just those of you who watch, who subscribe. We just really appreciate everything you guys do for us. Thanks a lot, and we will be back.